Hi there, and welcome to this unboxing of a Fujinon 27mm F2.8 XF prime lens, the so-called Pancake lens for the Fuji XT series. This lens was bought online from a seller in Hong Kong. So it's taken, I'm in Wellington, New Zealand, so it's taken, that was on Monday, 5 days to get here, courtesy of DHL. And I must say their online tracking system is pretty good. Let's have a look. There we go. Right. Here we have obviously the owner's manual, which is nice. Guess this is a lens bag or a pouch. Oh, yep, a nice Fuji branded lens bag. And here we have the lens. There's not much to it. Nice packaging there. It is the Pancake lens, so it is meant to be very low profile and still of a very solid build quality. Here we have it. Super EBC XF 27mm. Picked this up online for 399 New Zealand dollars on sale, which isn't a bad price. Let's get it mounted. Okay, I have here my Fuji X-T20. Oh wow, it is very, very light, very slim, isn't it? And it looks the piece too. Looks great. There you have it. The Fuji 27mm F2.8 prime lens, Pancake lens mounted on an X-T20 in silver. Hope you enjoyed that, and catch you next time.